Okay o. Okunu ma video ahụ mmerụ ebe nne ekwu maka na o nwere ndị na-asị na ndị Ebonyi dị ka ndị Hausa na ha mara otu esi asụ na ha dịrị asụ Igbo na ya na-asụba Hausa. Mbiakwa na-agakwa na streets of TikTok bịa fukwebe one woman na-ajụ ọ duetiri video nke m nwa na-ajụ m na-ajụ m sị ọ bụ na sị na Ebonyi bụ Igbo gịnị mere anyị ji enwe problem ịtụ Central Igbo na Igbo anyị adịrọ ịmanụ na ịghọtakwara ihe m na-ekwu. When nkari tag ya na video mana drama tag ya because tag ya is like giving her free publicity, like because I checked her page, she's not worth it. So I just decided to like let it slide. I'm not going to tag her. Let her make her noise and go front. So my sister, I'm not here to prove a point to tell you that we are Igbo or not, because we know who we be, like we know where we're from. Like your validation is not needed. Are you feeding us, or your let me not say what I want to say, because we have something that you don't have, so there's no need following you to do all this to the migremo ni henchore gwa kitabu na anyị nweru tone na nka anyị nwa onwe ihe eji mara ndị Ebonyi, onwere tone eji mara anyị okwe water no onwe tone anyị dị very deep and okporo akpo, so you cannot be expecting me to sound like Anambra mobu Imo when I'm not Imo. I will sound like Ebonyi, like this that I'm sounding now. Onye Anambra chọrọ ikpo ọ chọrọ ikwu ihe dịka mmiri or say mmili. You cannot say let me sound mmili when I will sound mmiri or mini. Our voice, our tongue is deep. I cannot be forming what I am not. I am Ebonyi, deeply rooted in Ebonyi, mother Ebonyi, father Ebonyi, born like till I die. There's nothing I cannot change it, and I don't even want to change it because it's a big flex. Do you know what it is? Fudu Barakasa. How do you expect me to sound Anambra when I'm not from Anambra? How do you want me to, like, are you see, I was going through your comment section and you said you saw that there's this your neighbor that struggles to speak Central Igbo. Mind you, he or she is not struggling. That is who she is or who he is. That is her tongue. She's not struggling. I don't understand. Like, let me not even do this, because we have something you don't have. You lack it. Don't do that. I would have tagged you, but I know what you're looking for, so I'm not going to give it to you, baby. Sorry. Okay? God do power. Until next time. Go front. But if you bring it to my doorstep, I welcome it. I'm going to give it to you, Basbos. If you try nonsense or you say rubbish and you expect me to keep quiet because you don't know that the way you carry yourself is, I don't carry myself anyhow. You are not feeding me, and you are not feeding any Ebonyan, so that will come and be doing no. This time is no grief season, and we know they grief for anybody. We are gonna give it to